So now, can you able to see this image? Any student? Any
In
student?
Edu blocks or
No.
in
My screen,
Python?
my screen, my screen.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sharing. Okay.
The variable
Yes,
is
sir.
available in Edu blocks or Python?
What?
The variable is available in
No.
Edu blocks.
Variable is the concept. I will tell you both Visual Studio and Edu Blocks variables are available. Okay. Okay. Please, other student, all your mute. I will ask one by one student. They can answer. Okay. So now I will ask Nihal. Master Nihal, can you see what you can see in this image?
Sir, in this image, I can see I can see a donut, a few donuts, and orange juice.
Very good. Donut and orange juice. Where they kept the donut? Where they kept?
They keep it in the plate.
Ah, very good answer. So where they kept in orange juice? Where they kept?
The orange juice is kept in a glass.
Ah, okay. So what is the glass here?
The glass is the variable.
Not variable. Generally, don't go technically. Generally, what is the glass here?
The glass is the container.
Ah, very good. So the glass is the container. Orange juice is the content. Got it? I repeat. Here in this image, glass is the container, orange juice is the content. The same way, the plastic plate is the container, donut is the content. Got it? Okay. What is the container means? It will contain the data. So the variable means it will contain the data. So data can be your name, everything is data, your age, okay, which place you are living. So this called the data. Datas are whatever we have, that is a data. So Nihal is the name. So that name is the data. What is your age, Nihal?
I am 11.
11 years. Okay, 11 age, 11 is the data. So these are the data, but we correspondingly the data we have to find exact data type. Okay, so we cannot put the donut in the glass, then we cannot pour the orange juice in the plate, right? So exact container we have to select based on the content. We have to select the data type or variable based on the data. You understood the concept? This is the basic concept, not only in Python, all programming languages. This is a very basic concept. Got it? Understood? The variable is the one which hold the data. Okay. Let's see. So there are what various data types are there. So now Mohammed Zayan, right? Zahid. Mohammed Zahid. Okay. Yeah, Mohammed Zaid, don't play with changing the background. Okay, just concentrate here. Okay. Other students also answer. Husnain is there? Husnain Ali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Husnain. You see, Husnain, what you can see in this image?
Sir, here is a height and names and age and boy. It
Okay,
is a
very good.
boy.
Okay. So this boy's name is Muhammad. Okay. The boy name is Muhammad. His age is 8 and his height is 3.5. He is a boy. He's a man or boy? I'm asking question. He's a boy? What is the answer you are? I'm simple question asking. He is a boy or he's a man? I'm asking he is a
Boy.
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 Okay. You won't tell boy. I am question is he is a boy? What is your
True.
answer? Yeah, true. Yes or no. True or false. So this is called Boolean data type. There are four main data type are there. Okay. So first important string data type. You can see. Let me annotate. We will discuss one by one. Okay. The first data type you can see here, the string data type. Okay. What is the string data type is all the alphabet A to Z. All the alphabet we are creating the a maybe a place name or thing, animal name, anything is like a generally nouns. We will store and the variable name variable data type is string data type. All the English alphabets comes under string data type. All the numbers, whole number. Okay, you can see the whole number is a whole number, right? Age is not he's not telling age is like a 8.5 8.2. He's telling round. Somebody is asking what is your age, you will tell whole age, 8 years old, 7 years old, right? The whole number is like a integer data type. Next thing is decimal. Any number which comes under decimal point, that is called float data type. Then true or false, that is coming Boolean data type. There are four basic data types are there. More other data types are also there, complex and list. We will discuss one by one, but these are major four main data type. Got it? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, I will ask one question.
Yes.
Okay, you will tell what is the data type. Okay, number 5, what is the data type?
Sir,
It's called integer data type.
Very
yes.
good. Okay, um Nihal, what is data type?
Integer.
Okay, Hafaf, what is data type?
Sir,
Hafaf, what is data type?
sir, in Boolean.
Hafaf means like a name, like
Ah, okay, sir. String.
string data type. Okay, 5.6, what is data type?
Float.
Float.
Float. Okay, false, what data type?
Boolean.
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 Okay, so now you clear about data type, correct? Okay, okay, now next we will create one simple program with the data type now. Okay, so I will erase this print. Use listen, don't do. Okay, listen, don't do. The first thing is name equal to Muhammad. Okay, you can see name equal to Muhammad I created. Now I am printing the name here. Print name. You can see here name Muhammad is getting printed, correct? So now name is the variable. That variable will store the data Muhammad. So how we kept the donut in the plastic plate, like that the data Muhammad we kept in the name container. Content is the Muhammad, container is the name. You understood? Now again I am changing the now what is the data type. So I want to know what is the data type of name. Technically there is a method called
String.
type
String.
string data
Muhammad
type.
is a string.
String data type, but how program can understand, how Python can understand, I want to know, right? I am asking Python.
By
Hey
a
Python,
programming
yeah,
language.
Python, tell me what is the data type of the name Muhammad. Name is the, what is the variable is the name. What is the data type of name? There is a method called type method. Okay, how print method? There is a inbuilt function. We call this is as a inbuilt function. Print is the one method it is used to print the what all the data we are giving, it will print it. Okay, I gave Muhammad, it is printing. Before I gave hello, it print hello. So what are the data we are giving, it will print. Like that the type is the one inbuilt function. What is the inbuilt function? Look at this image. What image you can see here?
Remote.
Any other student I want to answer, not Nihal
TV
or
remote.
not
Sir,
Zayan, other
TV remote.
TV remote. Okay, so what is the use of TV remote? Mohammed Ayman, can you tell other
Sir, it
student?
is used to, sir, it is used to change the channels
Hmm.
and increase
Oh,
or decrease volume.
very good, very good. Enough. So this is the remote control is the one which is having inbuilt buttons. Okay, inbuilt buttons. If you want to off the TV, okay, if you want to off the TV, we will enter touch the power button. So this will use to on or off the TV. So here volume button. So the volume button is used to increase or decrease. Here you can see volume button which is used to increase and decrease the volume. The channel button is used to change the channel. So it is having inbuilt buttons. Each button it is having all its own function, right? Because when you type the volume button, it won't off the TV. So each button the developer write the code to do the its own function. There each button is having its own responsibility, correct? So like that in the Python also we have lot of inbuilt methods, inbuilt button we have. You can see here these are the inbuilt methods have. So far we used what method? We used the print method. You can see here print method. So now we are going to use type method. So like that lot of inbuilt methods are there. Okay, I will share this link. This is the link. If you go to this link, I will share the link. Okay, after the session, I will share the links to you. Okay, so if you go to this link, you can see what is the use of each and every method in detail. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about type method. What is the use of type method? Let's see. So type name I am giving here. Type name I am giving here. So I want to print what is the type, what name I am giving type. So I'm just printing print. Then what all that, what is a return, what type method will give, I want to print. Let's see, I'll run the program again. So it says, see, notice here, you can see str is a short form of string. Okay, str means short form of string. So now I will create one more data type called age is like 7. So now I am giving the age here. Now let's see, is a int data type. You can see here int data type. So now I am adding one more data variable is boy equal to true. Okay, sorry, you have to give t, capital T, remaining are small. That is a keyword. So now I'm asking the python, please tell me what is the data type of the variable is boy. When I run, it will give the bool data type. Okay, so now I am adding one more variable. I'm creating one more variable, height equal to 5.2. Okay, or 3.5 height of Muhammad. So I am asking python, yeah, what is the type of height, what is the data type of height variable. When I run, I can get it float data type. Got it? Understood? So this is the way we can create the variable, and by using type method we can check what is the data type of these variables. Understood? Nihal and Ayman, Husnain.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, so those
Yes, sir.
those okay, this is the main thing of creating of data types and variables. Now we'll create one sample program to calculate the age. Okay, we'll write one sample program to calculate the age. So last, after
Can
end
we
of this,
follow you?
you can follow me. Okay, you can follow me, just listen. This is all easy, very easy. We are creating the variable and we are printing the age. Or you can create, I'll just give this code in a chat box. You can copy and you can paste, then you can run in the chat window. I will give the code. Copy this code and paste in your that workspace. This is called workspace. Previously you print hello, right? So there, remove the hello, just copy this and run it. You can see here. Okay, then you can play with the code. Same like
So I
meanwhile.
have a question.
Yes, ask.
No, it's not a question. It's like I have a problem. It's not showing. Whenever I whenever I type print, and it doesn't it doesn't print what I mean, it shows that it is executed, but it is not showing where it's executed.
Okay, here in the code you cannot see. Here in code you cannot
No,
able to see.
no, I don't have that.
You didn't add the extension.
Code runner.
Yeah, code runner have you added? You can see the play button here.
Yeah, I have added code runner.
So the print hello, the output came for you. Print hello, when you run print hello, that time
When
output
I
came.
No, it just shows running. After that, once it's done, it will show done. Exited with code 0
Uh,
equal to in 0
Have you saved?
0.3.
Have you saved the file? Control S you give. Please don't forget to give Control S, or you can click the here. You can click save. So you have to save the file. Have you saved it?
No, sir.
Save it, please. Okay. Whenever you change your code, you have to click file and you have to click save. Saving is without saving program. Python Visual Studio Code doesn't understand what is the code. Just save and run. Let me know.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, okay, fine. So
It's showing
now,
class
Yeah,
code.
sir, it's now
yeah,
working.
now it's
Sir,
showing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
showing.
Yes, sir. It's working.
No, it's
but sir,
working.
I also have a problem.
Yeah, tell me what problem.
Sir, I did it, but when I run the code, it shows that when I run the code, it's not coming in outputs. It's showing in terminal. The
Okay, terminal because you didn't install the code runner. So
I
terminal
have
also
installed
fine.
code runner.
It's installed code runner, but
Yes.
terminal you can see the output.
Yes, sir. In terminal also I can see the output, but it's after something like Windows PowerShell, Copyright. After all that, the code comes.
Okay, no problem. You are getting output. Only you have to understand the concept. So where it is coming, no issues. And the next class and all, I will try ask you to share your screen. Then we will fix it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So now we are going to create one sample program to create the. We will ask the user what is your date of year of birth. Then it will calculate the age. Okay. Shall you do the program? Just follow me. Okay. Clear everything. Clear everything. Make it the empty space like this. Those who are having not having laptop, so those who are having edu block, I will tell you how we can do in edu block also. So edu block, those who are not having laptop, okay, so those who are having edu block, please go to edu block like this. You go to this start screen. Okay, some student doesn't have laptop, then you can still manage with edu blocks. Click start, click python and give data type. Okay, then click start coding. Any students using EduBlock now? Please follow me, I will tell you. Any students using EduBlocks?
Sir, only those are using tab. Only that boys only need to do this one.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, 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 yes.
the
Because
block.
Visual Studio Code is very high level. I recommend use Visual Studio Code. EduBlock is only for small kids, those who are
Using tab.
want to, yeah, okay, like grade 2, grade 1, grade 2, then only they will use EduBlocks. But grade 3 and above, I recommend to use to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so
Okay,
but
sir.
some student doesn't have laptop. Those who are having only iPad, so those students they can go with the EduBlocks. Okay, other students just clear that. Where 5 minutes I will explain to them how we can create the variable in edu blocks, then we can start the age calculation program. So here if you start coding, you can see here the variables. First you can okay, the variable, you can create the variable. What variable we created? Name variable we created. Like this you can create the variable name. Okay, after creating the variable name, you can drag and drop here. And the name, you can give name like this, double quotes, you can give Muhammad. Like that you can create it. Then you want to print the variable name, then you can create, go scroll down, you can see here statement, you can see print variable. You can drag and drop that variable name, you can give name. Okay, so I have created one variable. I will repeat again how I have done. I went to variable, I click create variable, then I again drag and drop name, I gave name Muhammad. Okay, then I am printing like this. Okay, so if I run, I can see the output, the Muhammad, I can got the output. So I want to know what is the data type of this name, then I can type and open bracket and close bracket. Then I will stop, I'll run again. I will get the data type as a string data type. Got it? The same way you can play with this edu blocks. Variables column is there, and statement, the statement you can print the variable. Here you can create the variable. Got it? Okay, so recording is there. If you're not able to understand now, no problem. Watch the recording video again and again and practice. You have one more week, then you can able to understand easily. Okay, so next all the student, those who are having Visual Studio Code, open this. We have another 5 more minutes, we can complete fast. Okay, there is a the Muhammad, I am just typing hard coding here, right? So here I want to get the output from the user at the runtime. How I can get it? Okay, there is a one more inbuilt function. When I explain about inbuilt function, you can see here one more method called input. You can see here input inbuilt function. So this input inbuilt function we are going to use now. Okay, so let's see. So we'll come to Visual Studio Code. Please open Visual Studio Code and type name equal to, not name, type year. year equal to input. Just listen here. Later you can do it. I will share the recording. By watching my recorded video, you can practice. Okay, don't practice now. We have only less time. Just listen here. Okay, so here input equal to, I am just asking the user, what is your birth of, what is your birth year or year of birth, however you want, you can press. I'm asking the question to the user, what is your birth year? Okay, you can give one space here. Okay, so when input, what is your birth year? Okay, I'm asking question. After asking question, I am just calculating the age equal to, what is your current year? 2022 minus year. Got it? Okay, so let me run this program. So I am asking input from the user, so I cannot use code runner. I have to use the terminal. So for that, I'm just clicking new terminal and I am running here new terminal. I am running python data type dot py, python data type dot py. So I repeat, code runner doesn't accept the user input. For that, you have to click terminal, new terminal. Okay, it will come like this, python data type dot py. When I run it, it is asking what is your birth year. I am telling birth year is 2015. Okay, so but I got error, unsupported operand in line number 2. Okay, why I am getting this error in line number 2? The year is the string data type. Got it? Whatever the input, it will python will consider as a string data type. So what is this? It is similar to like this. I am adding 2022 minus 2014. Got it? The python will understand in this way. So this is the integer data type, this is the string data type. I cannot subtract. For example, it is same like this, 2022 I am minusing with Muhammad. It is possible? No. So integer you have to minus with integer only. Integer we cannot minus with alphabets. Correct? I'm correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for that I have to convert this string year string data type into integer. So that is also one more inbuilt function is called int, and open bracket and close bracket. Got it? So this method will, whatever data you are passing, it will convert like this. It will convert this 2014 15 convert into integer. Okay, this is where data type conversion we are calling as a data type conversion. Next thing is I am printing the age, print age. Got it? Okay, so now I am running the program, same program again in the terminal. I'm getting 2015 I got 7 years old. The same program if I run, I'm giving my date of year is 1984, it got 38 years. You understood now? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I don't want to simply, I don't want to print, I want to print your age is like that. So here we can do like this, your age is here plus. Okay, plus means string concatenation. I am concatenating, I'm appending, I'm adding, like your age is with the calculated age. When I run this program, again terminal python data type dot py, I got what is my age 2015, I am giving year of birth. Again it throw the error. What is the error I got? Only concatenate string to string, not integer. So what it is telling, I can concatenate only string to string only. This is age is not string, it is the age is the integer data type. So how you can convert string data type? That is a method called str. Okay, so now we are converting in the line number 2, we are converting string to integer. In the line number 3, it is a reverse, that string, the integer to string. So now again I am running the program, I am asking 2015 I gave it, I got the output, your age is 7. Okay, I gave this code to you, you practice it, and you can only 3-line code. Okay, you practice it, and next week we can discuss more. We can discuss about list data type. Only part 1 is completed. I just want to cover more, no issues. So tomorrow, next week, we'll discuss about list data type and dictionary data type. So 2 more important data types are there. I will share this recorded video. Please watch it again and again. If you are facing any issues, you can ask me. Okay, this is enough for today. So we can meet next week. Okay, so before leaving, I will give one more exercise to you. Just practice that exercise and give me. Now this is the exercise. I thought to complete this list data type and dictionary data type today, but no issues. Next week we can complete. Okay, so this is the exercise. Please note down. Get the height in meter and convert it into centimeter, then display. You have to ask the user what is the height of anything. You ask the user what is the height of Burj Khalifa. Okay, what is the height of Eiffel Tower in meters. User will give 800 meters of Burj Khalifa. So you have to convert into centimeter. Got it? Exercise is clear? Okay, so do this exercise and share me the screenshot. What your code? You understood what is the exercise? You have to ask the user. How I ask the user? Year of birth here. So I have asked the user year of birth. Okay, like that you have to ask, give me the meters, give me the height of any building in meters, Eiffel Tower, Burj Khalifa, and anything or anything. What is your
But
height?
I tried only now.
Yeah. Okay, you
I
have to
tried
ask.
now.
Not now, not now. Later, we have one more week. You ask the
I,
user what is your height in the meters. Then you have to
if I
convert to.
tried, it
Hmm.
it will allow to type in the output.
No, no. Yeah. It will allow to type in output, but you should not use code runner. You have to go to terminal. Go to right click terminal and click new terminal. Then here it will open your folder
It will
path.
allow. It will
It will
allow
allow.
to type.
It will allow. Okay. So here it will show you the folder path. Then here you have to type Python space. What is the file name? .py. Got it?
Sir, here we will not. We should not need to use the control S, right?
Then everywhere you have to use control S. Whenever you change the code, you have to save it. Don't forget.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Control S save. We can use control S, or you can click 5 and you can click save method. Okay. So get the any building height or any user's height in meters. You convert into centimeter. What is the formula to convert meter to centimeter? Anybody knows? What is the
Sir, you
formula?
have to divide. Sir, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So
Yeah. So here I'll give the overall. So here you have to
Dividing
get
it to 100.
1 meter
not
is equal to 100 centimeter.
yeah, you have to get the height from the user. You have to get the height from the user. Okay, then you have to convert into height in meters into
It's
100.
showing
Then
me.
it
It's
will
showing me that the code is already running.
yeah, you stop it. You can see a red color button, you stop it. Okay, when you're running, red color button is there, you stop it. Okay, just listen the next week exercise. You get the height from the user and multiply by 10 and print the output. Okay. Okay, so time up. So we can leave now. Bye. Thank you.